Hi dear aspirant, today we are discussing about in vowels final concept light dash vowels. Light dash vowel sounds. So we are completed thick dot vowels, light dot vowels and thick dash vowels. So thick dot vowels first place represented A sound, second place A sound, third place E sound. So light dot represented first place A, only singular, second place A, third place E. Thick dash vowel represented first place A base sound, A, second place O sound, third place U sound. So based on first place above the line, second place on the line, third place through the line. Position of writing this. So today we are discussing light dash vowels. Light dash vowels. So let's see first place light dash. First place, God. First place light dash. First place light dash represented A. A. Base sound, with base sound only A represented first place light dash. So position of writing what? On the line. On the line. So first place light dash A. Here thick dash A. A with base sound. Here only base sound A is there only. So here example. So shad, shod, shad, ishd, shad. Clear? A sound is based only base sound. So shad, rad, rd, rad, mk, mak, mug, mk, mug. So these are light dash examples. Shuck, duck, dk, duck. Light dash here pen thick is there. So light dash shad, rad, muck, mug. So second place light dash. Second place light dash represented. Light dash represented U pronunciation. Position of writing what? On the line. On the line. So second place light dash U pronunciation is there on the line. U means you pronounce it. Lunch, lung, rung, touch, dumb. So where I am pronouncing lunch is here U sound is coming. So that's why second place U pronunciation. Actually A, that's not A, U is coming. So you pronounce it, you clarify. So lunch, L N Ch, lunch, L N Ch, lunch. Lung, L ing, lung. Second place light dash represented position writing what? On the line. Second place light dash. Lung, rung, R ing, rung. Touch, T Ch, touch. D M, dum. Clear? So here second place light dash represented U pronunciation. Position writing what? On the line. So lunch, lung, rung, touch, dumb. Money, man. So here man, U pronunciation is there, N followed by E sound. So money. So these are second place light dash U sound is there. First place light dash A sound is there. Actually I'm not okay. So third place light dash. Third place light dash represented U pronunciation. U, single U. First two. So third place light dash U sound is there. Position of writing what? Through the line. this. So oo, example, let's say book, book. Here who. So light oo. Here third place thick dash sound is there, oo. So loop, root, oo, long vowel sound is there. Here book, not book, book, bk, book. Third place intervening vowel sound ki preceding next stroke ki preceding third place sound indicated next stroke preceding third place sound. So book. Look, lk, look, look. Took, tk, took. Shook, ishk, shook. So here third place light dot vowel sound represented oo sound, oo sound through the line. Position of writing what? Through the line. Book, look, took, shook. These are examples. So completed. These are, so manam finished light dot vowels, light dot vowels, light dot vowels completed. So next we are doing exercise 7. What do you do? So you first you write first place light dot full page, first place light dot 2 lines, complete it. Second place light dot full page, second line. Second place light dot u pronunciation. Position of writing what? On the line. Lunch, lung, rung, touch, dumb, money. So touch, dumb, money, rung, lung, lunch. So next book all are example there. Shud, rud, muck, mock, muck, mug, duck, duck, dock, duck. Here. So these are. So you see completed this practice. First you read 3 times. 3 times read. You perfectly each lesson after completion of the lesson 3 times read what I'm saying. Notes you read 3 times. Practice copywriting. Practice means copywriting. Next 3 times transcription. Each lesson you follow these 3 lines, 3 steps. You follow these 3 lines, 3 steps easy, you will complete this steno course, you will perfect stenographer. So first 3 times read, 3 times copy and practice, 3 times transcription. So English to shorthand to English. So outlines clear. So these are next to you complete exercise 7. So let's see. Oh God. So finish exercise light dash completed today. So a sound duck, shud, rud, muck, mug, touch, dumb, u sound is there. So second place light dash u pronunciation touch, dumb, dutch, dumb, rung, lung. Third place u sound took, shook, book, look, push. Clear. So exercise you follow next to come after completion of this practice notes. You follow this exercise 7. You will write here pay. I think you very well practice previous chapter. So pay, how is writing? So P followed by A. So second place na on the line position writing A. Pay is there na A sound. A sound represented thick dot. So pay, paid, bay, bait, tame, say how is writing? S followed by A sound. So say, essay. So here A preceding sound is there. Say, A say. Here light dot and thick dot. Here light sound, here thick sound, long vowel sound. So a say. That the escape, low, load, low how is writing? L followed by O sound. Load, L D. So followed by O sound. You perfectly practice, then send me your practice notes. So without communication, without practice, without communication, not completed the course. So you please perfect practice and send me notes how to writing outlets. I will check it. So you understood or not, I know, just I am not teaching and you practice, I will send you notes, that's not correct. So I will teach perfectly, I will guide perfectly for stenographer coaching, and you definitely perfect stenographer. Why? Because I am teaching easily stenographic course completed, no doubt at all. You already you will understood what how I am teaching, how is it. So actually these vowels understood stenographer easy hota, or else not understood. Clear amma? Thank you. We practice 7 exercise 7. So okay, thank you.